What's good, fam? Man, it's been a minute since we came at you. Of course, we're in the midst of a pandemic, level 4 lockdown, restrictions, curfews. You know how it goes. So, yeah, we haven't been able to put out any content. But today we're going to bring you a video. Not the lightest note, it's a bit of a somber mode. But, yeah, one of our members lost a family member due to COVID. So the Koups are gonna show our brotherhood. We're gonna stand together and we're gonna do a little flower drive for our mate and show him some support in this time of need. And it's a good time for us to just check in with each other again, see how things are, what's happening. So stick around. We'll do a few drive-bys. We'll well, not drive-bys. What? So stick around. We're gonna do a few rolling shots, we're gonna do a few photos, and we're just going to check in with each other and see who the new members are and what's happening in Koupland. So dare to be different, dare to be dynamic, and dare to be dynamite. What? Time to put the Koups to the front. That's a mad banner, man. You gonna out yourself like that, man?